Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking for a great source of light when you are working around the house. Whether it is working in the garage, maybe you're underneath the sink, maybe you're just generally working around and you just want a little flashlight that can be super, super helpful. So this was sent over by Hotligh, and it's gonna come in this little box right here. It naturally comes with an instruction manual, but we're gonna go over all the features right here in the video. You're also gonna get a USB to USB-C charging cable to power up the built-in battery on this guy. It has a nice long battery. It has a 5,000 mAh battery. This has a ton of settings. So depending on what setting you're gonna use, if you have it on just the lowest kind of light level, you're gonna be able to get up to almost 24 hours out of this thing. However, if you have it on the full brightest mode, you're gonna easily get about 4 hours out of it. So you're gonna easily be able to get your tasks done, whatever you are doing. But this is what it looks like. It is nice and compact. It basically fits in your hand, very easy to bring, all made out of a nice aluminum shell. So it's really, really tough. It also has an IPX5 water resistant rating. So if you get caught out in the rain or something like that, you're changing a flat tire, for example, at night, it is going to be able to handle that as well. Now you will notice on the bottom, it does have a 360-degree rotating hook. So you can hang this if you need to. And then the light itself can be angled however you need to angle it on your surface to light it up. Now, another cool aspect of this is it is magnetic. So the whole base here and even the tip is magnetic. So if you need to put this on the hood of your car, for example, or you want to put it on a door frame that's metal, you can do that as well. You can even use it as a wand to go ahead and grab a little kind of like screws and things like that, where you can place them on the end so you don't lose them. Now, how you're going to operate it is very, very simple. There is a little wheel here. It has a little arrow. Just make sure to line that up with whatever mode you are wanting, because like I said, this has a ton of modes. The first one you're going to notice is a lock button. That's nice because it's just going to keep it from accidentally turning on. You can press the button all day long. It's not going to do anything. Then you're going to have your warm light, your white light. This is your very, very bright white light. Just turn it on. It's going to be on the brightest. If you press the power button again, it's going to go ahead and dim down to 50%, and then you press it again, it will turn off. However, this does have stepless dimming. So if you do want to dim it, just go ahead and hold down the power button and it will go ahead and dim all the way down. And when you see it flash twice, it means it's on its lower setting. Go ahead and hold it again and it'll go ahead and get as bright as possible until you see it flash again and it's on its highest setting. Now the next mode, go ahead and turn the dial and you'll notice it goes to a very amber light. So if you need that kind of warm light, you can go ahead and use this. This is great for like camping or anything like that. You don't want your eyes instantly to dilate on the white light itself. Then it has on the tip here, you have another lighting mode to where it's more like a flashlight. You can even hold it truly just like a flashlight, or you can go ahead and angle it however you need to. Same thing, all these modes have just press the power button to turn it off, press it again to go down to 50%, or hold it to go ahead and do the stepless dimming. And then the final mode is it's gonna have actually an ultraviolet light. This is rated for 395 nm. So if you are out there and you're wanting to, for example, just look at for like stains, if you're wanting to look for scorpions or certain bugs, they'll glow with the UV light. Nice little cool feature as well. But very, very versatile light, very, very easy to utilize. It is absolutely great. Like I said, keeping it around the house or keep it in your car in case you have an emergency. If you're looking for a really cool flashlight, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.